that. I was going to reinstall it, but I don't want to do it without your permission.
Yeah, see, actually, I have uploaded 2 videos into our drive, how to install the video and also how to uninstall our Oracle software.
Okay.
Okay, please watch the uninstallation video as it easily do the uninstallation process.
Okay, so you want me to share the screen or?
Yeah. I access your screen. Please
Oh,
wait.
no problem.
Now you are the presenter, please.
So the
So,
same error.
okay, so please click on details.
Okay.
So drag it into right side. Yeah,
For some reason it's not letting me.
down, near scroll bar, down, last ones. Yes, next. Okay, so close this window, select OK or close the window, no problem. So again, remove the temporary files.
I just did it before your class started.
Okay, now again click on retry. No problem, click on retry.
Do you know what could cause? Because I also look my environment variable and I checked everything as possible.
Please wait 1 minute.
So if I have a 11G, would I be able to install 19C and the top 11G, or can we have both of them at the same time, or no?
Rinku madam.
Yeah.
So your operating system is updated or is there any pending updations?
I think it's updated. Yeah, this is.
Please click on settings. 1 second. Please click on settings.
Here.
Go to settings. I think there are some pending updations are there. Again, please close this window or otherwise Windows update, attention needed. Windows update is there. See the top one.
Oh.
Yeah. So we have to pending updates are there.
Okay.
So do one thing. If it
Uh-huh.
was failed again, if it was
Uh-huh.
failed again, what you need to do is after the class,
Uh-huh.
uh, keep the pending process as it isly and then restart your system. If you restart it, OS will be updated.
Oh,
Then
I see.
automatically your installation will be resumed again.
Okay.
Okay. So after the class, do it.
Okay.
In case after restart also, if it was failed, again
Mm-hmm.
we have to uninstall it and then install it.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Yeah. So sometimes it will happen. So please
Mhm.
watch the videos. Last night only just I uploaded how to install 19C and
Mhm.
also how to uninstall 19C. Step
Okay.
by step, each and every one I have explained. Follow that.
Okay.
And yeah, so all of you guys, yesterday I have uploaded how to install and uninstall Oracle 19C videos. How to install the Oracle 19C and also uninstall Oracle 19C. I hope all of you are able to access the videos. See, let me show you that videos also directly. I'm showing you how they look like.
I think, sir, you uploaded after installation video also, but not
Yeah,
uninstallation.
okay. Uninstallation is not there, right?
Yes, sir. But
No
that video
problem.
is very good, sir. One can install by watching your this video. I have already completed.
Oh, very good. Yeah, see here, guys. This is our folder. Okay, no problem. I will upload it again. Yeah, these are our videos present in my drive. Our class videos are these videos. Okay, here installation video. After installation, some process is there. Okay, you need uninstallation video. Hold a moment. Uninstallation video.
Sir, day 4 video is wrongly uploaded, sir. Actually, that is day 5, sir.
Actually, demo session happened 2 times. Demo session happened 2 times. The second demo I did not upload it. That's why it is named as day 4.
Okay,
I
sir.
hope you understand, right? Yeah.
Okay, sir. No problem.
And here we have Oracle 19C uninstallation video. Uninstall 19C part 1, uninstall 19C part 2. So I am uploading these 2 videos right now only. After the class, you can access these 2 videos also. Yeah. Mm. Is there anybody else? Do you need installation or uninstallation support? Anybody?
Oh, you said that you will explain about Mac OS installation.
I did not check it that, madam. Today I will check it definitely, and I will give you the process. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Mm.
సార్
Yes.
11 జీడీ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశాం సార్ అప్పుడు ఒకసారి. అది
English.
అన్ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశాం సార్, స్పేస్ సరిపోవట్లేదు అని వేరే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కి.
Hmm.
సో ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ 12C ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయడానికి అది ఇష్యూస్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా సార్?
Okay. Any installed, suppose if you have already installed some software and uninstalled, first
ఓకే
before installing new version, we should
ఓకే
delete all Oracle related services.
ఓకే సార్
We should delete all Oracle related services that helping videos you can access from here.
ఓకే
How
సార్
to uninstall any Oracle software, any version, same
ఓకే
process,
ఓకే సార్.
right? So Abhishek, no problem. You can continue with the 12C. No issue. You can continue with the 12C. Don't uninstall it. Why? Because we are working with the cloud database. So definitely all services available in 19C, almost all services available in 19C, they are also available with 12C. Don't worry about it. Okay guys, let me start our session. Yesterday we have discussed how to create a user account and how to connect to database. So before going to next concept, first let me start with SQL. Before going to SQL, why we are learning SQL, that you need to understand. Why we are learning SQL and PLSQL. See, what is Oracle? What is Oracle? Oracle is a database. Oracle is a database like this one. Here, database is useful to store data, to access data, and to manage data. Store data, access data, manage data. Sir, according to real time or according to business requirement, how to store data, how to access data, and how to manage the data. For these three, I am giving three examples, guys. For these three, I am giving three examples. Listen carefully. How to store data. First point is how to store data. This is my first question. And second question, how to access data. And last question, how to manage data. These are the three questions. From here, I am explaining how to do that. See guys, suppose if you are registering with a business, already I have explained in the demo session. Again, I am repeating, you want to register with a business. What is registration? Suppose, for example, I want to open Facebook account. If I want to open Facebook account, what is the process for that? What is the process for that? See, if you want to open Facebook account, go to here and so what is our requirement? Facebook.com. So here in this web page, see guys, this is your client application. In the client application, select create new account. What is the option? Create new account. If you select it, then it is asking your details, your first name, surname, mobile number, first name, surname, mobile number, password, date of birth, gender, total 6 values. Count here: first name, surname, mail ID, and then password, 4 values, date of birth, 5th value, gender, 6th value. After submitting these values, you should select sign up. Come to here. See, as a customer, as a person, you want to enter, you have to enter first name, next one surname, next mail ID, next password, and here date of birth, and then gender. You are giving 6 values, and at last you are selecting sign up. You are selecting sign up. See, as a customer, I am explaining about this point, guys. As a customer, you are making a request. The request will be passed to web server. Web server. This is called as web server. First layer is known as web page. It is also known as a client application. This is also known as client application. And here, this is known as web server. From the web server, the request is passed to database server. The request is passed to database server. See, generally, after submitting the values, if you submit all the values and select sign up, finally, you will get a message. You have registered successfully. You have registered successfully. So before getting that message, what is happening internally? Internally, this process is happening. Your data is going to web server. From the web server, your data is going to database server. In the database server, there is a program. The program receive your data, and the program is inserting the data into a table. So what is the name of the table? Customers table. What is the name of the table? Customers table. The program inserting data into customers table. If the data inserted successfully, then program is giving some response. The program is giving some response to web server, and the web server is giving the same response. Web server is giving the same response to the client application. That is, you have registered successfully. Understand, guys? Okay. Now see, the program inserting data into table. How to insert? My question is technically how to insert. To insert data in this one, at this point, to insert the data, we need insert command. What is the command? We need insert command. So what is insert? Insert is a SQL command. What is a program? Program is a PLSQL program. So for this process, we need SQL knowledge like insert, and also we need programming knowledge like this one. And one more point, how to access data. How to access data. For this, let me explain here. Suppose you want to buy a television. You want to buy a television. www.amazon.in. Here, I want to go for television. Okay. So let me take this here. If I select any one television, for example, I want to select any one television. See, if I select a television, are you getting information related to television? Yes. How you are getting information related to television? How you are getting information? See, whenever you are selecting, whenever you are requesting information in the web page, the request passes to web server, and from web server, request passes to database server. In the database server, other program is responding. The first program responsible for inserting data, the other program responsible for accessing data. The other program search your requested television information. So how to search? It is searching related to your product information. So how to search? To search the information, we need a select query. What is that? We need a select query. It will select your information, and that information again pass to web server. From here, the information passes to web page. So accessing data, getting information from any one business. This is also one business activity. One more example. How to manage the data. For example, you are depositing money. Go to ATM. In the ATM screen, you can see some options. It's a web page. On the ATM screen, you are seeing some options. It's a web page, client application. You are depositing money. So that request deposit is sent to web server. Web server passing the request to database server. In the database server, the other program is there for updating process. If you withdraw money, the program will update your balance. If you deposit money, again the program is updating your balance. So to change the value means some program responding with update command. So to perform any one business activity, we need two concepts here. That is this one. What are the commands? How to write commands? And also, what are the programs? How to write programs? So this you will get information from SQL. To understand commands, you are learning SQL. To understand programs, you are learning PLSQL. Hope you understand what is SQL and what is PLSQL. Now, let me discuss about SQL. What is SQL? SQL is a structured query language. It is a language to communicate with the database. Okay, what are the components under this language? SQL is a collection of predefined commands, keywords, and syntax rules. SQL is a collection of predefined commands, keywords, and syntax rules. With these, we can write statements. With that components, we are writing statements. Those statements are known as queries. Those statements are known as queries. Remember. So what is SQL query? It is a statement. In the general way, we can say it is a client request. Client request submitted in the form of query. Okay. So in SQL is a collection of commands, I'm saying. What are those commands? These are the commands. SQL language divided into 5 sub-languages. 5 sub-languages. So that is DDL, DDL, DML, DQL, DCL, and TCL. What is DDL? Data definition language. Data definition language. Under DDL, we are getting these commands: create, alter, drop, truncate, rename. Under DDL. And what is DML? Data manipulation language commands. Insert, update, delete. Insert, update, delete. And what is DRL? Data retrieval language. And that is select. One more point, guys. Don't worry about any command. Just I am giving the list of commands here. In our upcoming classes, we will discuss each and every command in detail. According to SQL discussion, just I am listing the commands here only. Next one, DCL commands, data control language commands, grant and revoke. And another one, TCL commands, transaction control language commands. Under these 3 commands, commit, rollback, save point. Commit, rollback, and save point. These are 14 commands. 14 commands are available under SQL. Any business activity, listen, any business activity related with these 14 commands only. And now, what are you doing by using SQL? By using SQL language, we are communicating with the database. How you are communicating? By writing statements. These are known as queries. So finally, Nip Jyoti, once our practicals started, then you can create the tables. Not right now.
Okay,
Only for helping you, just I forward the tables document. And see here, guys, finally, by using SQL, we are writing queries. Okay, fine. Where should I write these queries? Did you understand my question? Where should I write the query? Can I write the query in the document? No. Can I write the query in the MS Word document? No. Can I write the query in Excel sheet? No. See, in online, I want to search information. In online, I want to search information. So for that, can I type something in the notepad? Think generally. In online, I want to search information. For that, with which application you are interacting? Web page. Are you interacting with web page or not? Similarly, in your local system, this is your local system. In your local system, how can I write the query? And where should I write the query? We need one environment, one application. What is that application? That application is nothing but a client tool. We have to write queries and programs in any client tool. We have to write queries and programs in any one client tool. What is client tool? It is one application. Already yesterday we discussed, that is SQL plus. This is your application. In this application, through this application, you should connect to database and you can submit queries as well as programs. You
How
should,
about
yeah,
in the SQL developer, the GUI,
Hmm.
the GUI interface?
yeah. GUI applications are also there. Same
Oh,
process, but the look and feel is different. I will explain that. See,
okay.
so what is a client tool? It is an application and it is an interface between between user and database. In the client application, first we have to connect to database. So through client tool, we can connect to database by submitting username and password. Once connected, we will write queries and programs. Once connected to database, you can write queries and programs. We have two types of client tools. What are they? CUI tools, GUI tools. CUI tools and GUI tools. I will show you two environments. Don't worry. Let us see. CUI tool. It's a default client tool. Its name is SQL Star Plus. So this is the default tool. Sir, can I install it separately? No. If you install Oracle database, along with the database installation, it will be installed automatically. Okay, now I want to next type of application is GUI tools. GUI means graphical user interface tools. Graphical user interface tools. The names of those things are SQL Developer, PL SQL Developer, or Toad. SQL Developer or PL SQL Developer or Toad. Hope you understand. Sir, how the SQL Developer look like? We can understand this. Then how the SQL Developer look like? Is it necessary to install it separately? Yes. It is available by default. But if you want to work with these, you should install them separately. See, I want to show you what is a SQL Developer. Already it was downloaded into my system. See, if you download the software, you will get this file. If you extract this file, you will get this folder. Open the folder and just go down. Here you can see SQL Developer, or right click on it, select Run as Administrator. Select Run as Administrator. Your SQL Developer window is going to be started. So let it start. I want to show you how to connect and also how to write programs and queries.
Means, sir, no need to install, sir. Just directly run, sir.
Yes, exactly. No need to install it. Open the folder, directly run it. No problem. No need to install it. See,
Okay,
guys,
sir.
we have this welcome page. In this page, in the left side, you are seeing some connections. Already these people previously connected. I want to connect with this second connection. Dinesh 8 a.m. session link is there. Select it. Select the plus symbol. It is asking about password. My password is welcome. Enter. Submit password and select welcome. Sorry, submit password and select enter. Then see, here you have one environment. Here you can type any queries. You can type any queries as well as programs also. See, if I select it, run it, this is run button, then you can see data from DEPT table. This is the data. This is query window, and the bottom window is query output window. Suppose, let me write a sample program. Before program, we have to execute this statement. Before program, we have to execute this statement. So begin, it's my program, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Don't worry immediately about all these things. Everyone we will discuss. Welcome to the Oracle training. Just I want to display this message to you. I want to display this message to you. Program typing completed. Let me run it. See, this is the response from your database program. Okay, I will show you another application. I want to show you other application. It's very, very beautiful in this environment. See guys, what we are learning right now, SQL star plus. What is SQL? What is a client tool? I hope you understand what is the look and feel of GUI. Now here, let me connect through CUI. Let me connect through CUI. Username, system, password, manager underscore 1. Alter session set container equal to varclpdb. Okay, and connect as Dinesh 8 AM. Why? Because in our account, 7 AM account, there is no data. That's why I am selecting 8 AM. Welcome @varclpdb. Completed. Set server output on. Set server output on. All of you see here guys, what I am doing. A customer, he want to register with my business. A customer is interested to register with my business. What is happening? How it is happening? Select star from customer details. Present, these are the customers guys. Present in my customer table, how many customers are there? 12 customers. Just understand the scenario, right? Okay, a new customer, he want to register. So let me verify here. Customer registration application I need. Customer registration application I need. Here you have two things. Customer registration, customer registration. Let me open. Name, city, gender, and PAN card number. Name, city, gender only. Okay. This is not my application. I think this one. Name, city, gender. Yes, this is my application. It is calling procedure customer registration. Okay. All of you see here, guys, what I explained. Don't think about all technical things right now, Arun. If I start it, our subject will be diverted. Here, what I want to show is, if you do something in the client application, just verify how it is happening in the backend table. That's why. All of you see here, guys. See, assume that this is up to here. This is your front end application, means web page related, right? And from there, whatever the values you are giving here, you are submitting your name, city, gender. That values pass to web server program. This is web server program. Okay. Once values pass to web server is passing values to database server program. I hope you understand. Here it is saying vcust id. Hold a moment. So let me explain the web page again. Sorry, not our diagram. If you submit your information here, that is passed to web server. From the web server, the information passed to database server. That is what I am explaining here. See the beginning lines, This is your client application, web page. From there, the data goes to web server. Web server send request to database server. What will happen? Let me verify. Hold on just a moment. Customer ID is the first value. Select sequence name from user sequences. Custenvo. Okay. Okay, you are passing these values, right? No problem. Okay, guys, let me execute this script. Let me execute this client application, customer registration. Here I am executing. Listen carefully. What you have to remember is how many customers here? How many customers here? 12. If a new customer, if a customer registered newly, at the rate customer registration, enter. Registration at the rate customer registration. The file is there. Let me check our file. No. Customer registration file is there. Any spelling mistake? So the files are not opening.
So basically you uploading that file into the table, correct?
No. So whatever the applications are there, any application we can execute. Any application we can execute from our SQL Star Plus.
Okay.
at the rate symbol and this, it's not opening. Actually, if I run this, it has to ask me the details.
Mm.
Why it is?
So that give you detail of the whatever in the application, correct?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. Okay. And so it has to be like you don't have to give any location, like where it is, like in C
No,
drive, document, folder.
no need to specify any locations.
Just give the name of the file.
That's all. Hold a moment.
Mhm.
Hold a moment. So I want to connect through command prompt. SQL plus Dinesh 8 AM /welcome@ORCL PDB. Now I want to execute it. Customer registration. Enter. Is it asking, guys?
Enter your name,
Enter
yeah.
your details for registration. Enter your name. Enter your name. Suppose I am giving like this, Lakshmi. Enter your city name. So Texas. Enter your gender, female. See here, guys, to register yourself, actually, for any registrations, you are giving details in the web page here. The same process I have implemented, how to do it through SQL Start Plus. So after submitting these values, just hit enter. What it is saying? Hi, welcome to our business. Your user ID is this. Use the user ID for any future reference. Previously, how many customers are there? 12. Select star from customer details. Present, how many customers are there?
13.
13.
So
So
it just
Lakshmi,
automatically shave in alphabetic order, right? Yeah.
yes. No. There is no order, madam.
Oh, okay.
Automatically your data inserted into table.
So
Yeah.
So
Stop.
and a lot and the SQL you did, right? So that's a PL SQL procedure, correct?
Yes, whatever the process, who is inserting the data? See, first to understand here, I am giving one information here. Listen carefully, guys. Here, see, customer registration. This is your program. You are submitting values at which place? Tell me, guys. You are submitting values at which place? It is a web page. Am I right or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, with the web page you are interacting. You means client. Client interacting with the client application. So web page is a client application. Web page is a client application. In our program, this is the client application logic. What is our client application? This SQL Star Plus. This is our client application. Here you are submitting your details. From this place, the details are going to which place? Web server, right? Let me open our program. From this place, the details are coming to interface program. Web server is known as interface between client application and database server. Okay, your details are substituted into web server program. Web server program making a call to database server program. This is a database server program. This is a database server program. So here web server received a request. It is communicating with the database server program. Sir, where is the database server program? Within the database. How do you know that? I want to show you that point here. See procedure. It's a web server, database server programs. See here, guys. I hope you are able to see all these names. So procedure customer registration. This is a database server program. Procedure for customer registration. This is a database server program. It is taking your name, city, gender. It is taking 3 values from you. From you means from the web server, it is getting 3 values. That 3 values inserting into which table? Inserting into which table? Customer details table. I hope you understand. Of course, if you are non-technical person, don't worry. Just in the real time, what is happening in the web page, and I want to explain how we can design our programs according to business requirement. For example, I want to register. Yes, madam, any questions?
No.
Yeah, see, I want to register one more customer here. I want to do the registration process with one more customer. @ customer registration. Again, it is asking, enter your name. Enter your name, Jock. Okay, let me type in Jock. Enter your city name, Kenya. And enter your gender, male. Enter. So previously 13 customers already there. Now, if you see the information, you can see 14 customers. Jock information is also inserted here. See?
Sir,
Yes, madam. Yes.
sir, you have inserted the rows, right, sir? Before it was 13 and now it is 14, right, sir?
Yes.
But if we'll register through web page, automatically we'll get a lot of customer details, right, sir?
Like
See,
means?
every day only 1 or 2 people will not register, right, sir? So many
So
people will register.
yes.
So all those details will get in this page, right, sir? Right now it is only 14. If we have some millions of data, then do we get all the details here, sir?
Okay, I got your question. If
Sir.
we have millions of customers already registered, if
Okay.
you are expecting, suppose 10 lakhs customers are there.
Yes,
If
sir.
10 lakhs customers are there, if I select data like this, is it giving 10 lakhs records or not? That is your doubt.
Yes, sir.
Think generally. As a
Sir.
developer, like a database developer or report developer or whatever it is, as a developer, if you have permission on the table, you can access all 10 lakhs records, no doubt at all.
Okay.
First point. As a end user, let us assume I am a customer for Facebook. Once I have registered, only I know my customer name and I know my password. I don't have permission to check other user information. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Did you catch my point or not? Suppose
Yes, sir. But sir.
Bank is there. So many customers are there. So, but one customer cannot access other customer data. You are a customer, I am a customer. I
Yes, sir.
am unable to access your account. and you are unable to access my account. That
Okay.
is the security. But
So
as a
that is the
developer,
end. Okay.
in the real time, you have permission on the tables. Then you
Okay.
can see all customer details
Okay.
except password.
Okay.
Yes, now tell me.
Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
Okay. So I hope you understand, guys, how the process is going on. So that kind of programs and queries we are writing under either in SQL Star Plus or in GUI tools. What is SQL Star Plus? Abhishek, I didn't get your question. Can we call this procedure from the front end? Like, yes, you can call, Abhishek. You can call the procedure. Now, what is SQL Star Plus? All of you guys in our training, first we are working with this environment and slowly we will enter into GUI environment. So what is SQL Star Plus? It is a default client tool. It is an interface between you and your database. It is an interface between you and your database. And as a developer, you are submitting request in the form of query. Again, as a developer, you are submitting request in the form of query that you are submitting under SQL Star Plus. So that is processed or executing on database. From the database, you have output. From the database, we have output. That output again passes to this window or this application. And what are the properties of SQL Star Plus? Properties of SQL Star Plus. So means this one. At a time, we have to write one query. Only we have to write one query. Don't try to execute multiple queries. Each query end with semicolon. Second point, each query end with semicolon. And you can write queries either in capital case or small case or mixed case. See, the previous query is capital case. Now I am writing select star from cust details. Small case query. Any case, no problem. So queries are not case sensitive. Queries are not case sensitive. And the last point, SQL commands are ANSI standard. What is ANSI? American National Standard Institute. Sir, what is the benefit of this standardization? Whatever the commands you are learning here, 14 commands and some concepts, all these commands are common for any database, not only for Oracle. You can work with any database, Microsoft SQL Server, IBM DB2, or PostgreSQL, MySQL, NoSQL, any database. MongoDB, in all the databases, you have same commands. The meaning is SQL commands are common for all the databases. So SQL commands are known as ANSI standard. I hope you understand up to here. Any questions, guys?
Okay.
Yeah. So Rinku madam, is
Yeah.
there anything happened in the table in our process?
It fell, so I restart my machine, and when after I restarted, it just like that the
Installation.
is gone. So I
Okay.
tried to reinstall it, but it won't let me reinstall it. So I think I had to
No.
uninstall it.
Yes. So we should not attempt reinstallation immediately, madam.
Okay. So I should
Okay.
uninstall first, right?
Yeah. So please go through with the uninstallation video and uninstall it.
So there are two part of installation videos, part 1 and part 2.
Installation part means first installation. After installation, we have to do some changes in some files, or we
No,
have to verify some services.
I'm talking about uninstallation part because I see there is a two part of video, one part.
Why we have two parts means first uninstall it, and we have to restart the system. In the middle of the uninstallation, we have to restart.
Oh, I
After
see.
start part 2, first
Oh,
watch the videos, then
okay.
only do the uninstallation.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay.
see, if you want to attempt again installing the Oracle database,
Mm-hmm.
before that, please update your OS. Compulsory. Don't
Okay.
keep any pending services. Right?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Abhishek, repeat why we are writing alter session set container ORCL PDB. In the last video, I have explained actually cloud database by default, the DBA connected to cloud common database. From the common database, we are switching, means DBA switching into local database. Through how to switch into local database? By using this command, alter session set container equal to ORCL PDB. Watch the last video, you will understand. Yesterday video. Okay guys, thank you all of you. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.
Sir, can I get access to watch the videos, sir?
Madam, I need the permission from Krishna sir, who the
Okay.
person who speak with you. So I
Yes,
need the
sir.
permission from that person.
Okay, sir.
Right.